Yeah, down here at the airbrush house, I airbrush everything. Check me out. These was all white, candy coated. Just wet. What y'all know about that? Come get yours. $30. What?
You finna go pick up our skates. What's your name, sweetheart?
Keisha.
Hey, Keisha.
Hey. You look at me at my worst.
No, you at your best. There you go. I'll tell you. These are skates done by King Mondo.
I actually put this on my
On your Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. I'll tag you.
Yeah, tag that. Gosh, I didn't know it's gonna be so shiny.
What's good, world? It's your man King Mondo. We got something hot and sexy in the house. What's good?
This my baby Shay getting her new little lip ring or whatever. See, it's gold this time. You know, it's not silver.
I can't be on camera right.
We all a little buzz
Catch
right
this
now.
girl getting in right here with Cali swag on King Mondo TV Bar. What you doing? I see you over there smiling.
This my baby Shani. Look at the camera. Say hey to the camera, Shani.
What's up, girl?
Shani. This T. What up,
What's up,
dog?
sis?
What it is. She beat your creature.
The creature. You way out the volume.
Beat your creature.
No, it's this right here all day.
I don't know how to do it, but that's what we is. I think I'm doing it.
Fingers. King Mondo TV. Come on, man, Young Will, Deal or No Deal. What you up here pushing, baby?
Man, Deal or No Deal mixtape, just put it out, you know what I'm saying, this month. Just started working on it last month. I'm not playing with these boys. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all better get ready. Y'all gonna hear a lot
See
more.
this beautiful girl right here?
Thank you.
She in my shop. Come to check King Mondo out.
Sight Town's finest in the building, dog.
Boys, Trapo's mama right here. Representing Flint City to the fullest.
That's right.
Chi-town in the house. That's what's up to Windy City.
Kush in my bones, kush in my veins, you know we get it on. That's King Mondo, dub in the back, not one blunt, he rolling up inside. I'm holding up these cats, Fofo up on my ass, I need these niggas dead now, I'm exposing their ass, yeah, nigga, you know how I do it, move it and screw it, then I confuse it.
I'm at the rich, my father is. My father's house, there are many mansions. He lives in Miami, Florida. Florida is shaped like a 7, is it not? God's on the trouble, the water, remember Katrina.
You
Great Omnipotent Dardenio.
You blasphemy, man. Quit
I'm Dardenio the Great. Great Omnipotent Dardenio. You want to see my ID, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you my ID.
I'll
show you Dardenio, dog.
gonna strike your ass down.
What that say?
The devil.
Dardenio, Great Omnipotent Dardenio.
Say the devil.
The Great.
Let's say the devil.
G-O-D, good opens doors. God is the only one that is good.
You gotta stop blaspheming.
God is the only one that can open doors no man can open. God is the only one that can close doors no man can close. I am good, opens doors. G period, O period, D period. You got that?
Yeah.
G-O-D, Great Omnipotent Dardenio. What do those initials spell, dog?
Blasphemy, man. Quit blasphemy, man.
Play with me, man. I'll send you to hell. My eyes is on you, man.
God gonna come get your ass.
God.
Stop that shit.
I am your savior. I am Christ himself.
Oh, you done fucked up. Shit. You done fucked. He finna come get you.
Who are you unto me? Eliab!
Man, you gotta get these motherfucking eyeballs.
Who art thou before me?
Motherfucking eyeballs.
This is nothing out here.
Stop it, man.
The streets are nothing.
You blasphemy, man. You stop it.
My father, Eliab, come forth before me.
Annie M.
Did you bring forth this day?
Annie M is a lady on the whiz.
Did you create the sunny day?
Annie M.
Did you? What about the earthquakes? I don't have to answer to you. You chasing money and illusion. I don't talk to you. I talk to my people.
Stop blasphemy, dog.